It's a new week, I got a new haircut, and I got a new Stitch Fix box. So if you want to see what's inside and why I'm really excited about it, keep on watching. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. I'm Andrea. I love clothing subscription boxes and shopping hauls, and I like to try it on for you. And if you like that kind of content, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you always know when I put out a new video. And if you like this video, please give me that like, leave me a comment, help me grow my channel. Okay, so Stitch Fix is one of the subscription styling services that sends you clothes. You can get it on a regular basis. I ask for them every 2 to 3 weeks, but lately they've been sending them even more often than that because every time I check out, they've been asking me if I wanted a quick fix. And I have a really hard time saying no. So they do send you a preview of 10 items. And this time, I believe they asked me if I wanted to choose up to 8, and they would send me 8 things, but there weren't 8 things that I liked. So there were 4 things that I liked though, and they are all jeans and joggers. So a couple fixes back, I have a fabulous stylist. Her name is Marsha, and she had sent me something that I had saved. Now Stitch Fix has their freestyle, which is just you can go on and order things and then they'll send them to you. You don't have to wait until it comes in a box. But if you save things there, your stylist can see it and they can add those things to your box. So she had added something that I had saved, and it was a pair of double button jeans from, I believe, cut from the cloth. I had not looked close enough to realize that they had some distressing, and I don't like distressing. Now somebody made a comment that they were surprised that the jeans I was wearing in my outfit of the day had frayed edges on the pockets, and I don't mind that, but I don't like holes. I don't like fraying like in the legs or anything. So so I sent them back because they had a couple areas of very obvious distressing on the legs. But then I went in and I found another pair of double button jeans because I really like that look. And I saved those, and then there were some other ones in the preview. So there's a couple pair of jeans in here, double button jeans that I'm really excited about trying on. And I believe I picked a couple pair of joggers too, because I'm on the hunt again for some, nice dressier joggers. Okay, well this is interesting. This is what it looks like. Usually everything is in the bundle, but they've got something on the sideboard that is not in the bundle. We will take out the bundle, and it's falling apart. So you can see it looks like maybe even 3 pairs of jeans and a pair of navy joggers, and then something else. So they send you a note from your stylist, price list. I always wait until I've tried everything on before I look at the prices. Oh, they also send you a mailer to return the things that you don't want. I'm just going to take a quick peek. And Marsha is still my stylist. Marsha is she just does a wonderful job, and I'm so grateful to have found her. All right, so let's first take off the paper because I always edit that out. I know that can get kind of loud, so. All right, so on top, we have got a 9 BRITTON, is it a dress? It's a top. Melanie button-down long sleeve Henley and navy. Now, I would not call that navy by any stretch of the imagination. I would call that more of a denim blue, long sleeved. It's ribbed, and it's got the V-neck and then the Henley, which I like the color. I like the Henley style. It's a nice light weight for as we transition into spring. March is our snowiest month here in Colorado. It's 96% polyester and 4% spandex. It is very soft though. So we can get blizzards, we can have days in the 70s. March is really a crapshoot here in Colorado. Okay, next up on top, we have a pair of joggers by GLYDER, the Eclipse Performance Jogger in black. And these are one of the things that I chose. It has just a nice flat front, no drawstring, the pockets there, and just the jogger bottom. So those look nice. And they feel like they're made out of polyester, so I'm not even gonna bother looking. Oh, the other joggers fell out on the other side. These are by Under Armour, and is there a tag? Yes. These are Motion Jogger in navy. Again, a nice flat front with no drawstring, and just a jogger bottom. So both of those have possibilities. Okay, these are the jeans. First, we have a pair by Just USA. They're the Rosalina double button slim straight jean. And so it's got the double button, and other than that, straight leg. The ones that I had tried on before, as I recall, they had like a little seam between the buttons too, but those definitely, those are cute. And then we've got Studio Blue, and these are the Leah High Rise Exposed Button Fly Straight Jean. So it's just got the double button, and it has that kind of detail that they had in the other ones. It is a lighter wash though. I am super excited about trying all of this on for you. Before I do want to say, before I do the try on, I do want to say thank you so much for watching my video. It means a lot to me, and if you subscribed, do any of those things, that also means a lot to me. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I will go ahead and leave my link below. If you use that referral link, you will get $25 off your first fix, it'll waive the styling fee, which is $20 per box. And then you will be able to apply that $25 to anything that you purchase from your box. So if you do that, I thank you very much too. All right, let me show you my outfit of the day, and then we will get to the try-on because I am super excited to try these things on. All right. Today I am wearing a sweater from Marine Layer that I got from Stitch Fix. I ordered it from their Freestyle. Love the color of this. It's 100% cotton, really soft, really like this sweater. And then the jeans are these button fly front from Cut From The Cloth that I actually did order myself from Cut From The Cloth. And then the booties are by Cole Haan that I got from Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. So I'll come up and read the note from Marcia. Oh, cutting off my head there. Happy spring, Andrea. I am so sorry that nothing worked in the last fix. I have high hopes that the joggers from GLYDER and Under Armour that you chose from the fix preview this month will give you good options and fit well. I look forward to some great feedback as well. I know that you enjoy the double button jeans, so I hope that these two options work as well. The pair from Studio Blue is the same style that you have saved, but in a lighter wash. What do you think about this color option? The pair from Just USA gives you a darker wash option and is a slightly shorter length. Since you asked for a long sleeve tee to layer under cardigans or jackets, I added the pretty blue knit Henley from 9 BRITTON. It will be perfect under a denim jacket or with either of your pink cardigans. I look forward to your video soon. Marcia. All right, let's get to this try on. All right, first up we have these, who makes these? Just USA double button jeans, and they are in a straight leg, and I am slowly coming around to the straight leg look. They hit me just right at the top of my foot. I'm wearing the Michael Kors ballet flats that I got a couple boxes ago, and then also the Henley. Really like both of these pieces. So I will come up closer. Let's talk about the top. It has the, that V-neck. I mean, it's a Henley. It's nice and soft, really pretty color. And I did a little front tuck there. So I like this top a lot for sure. Let's talk about the jeans. Okay, so they are the double button. I like the wash. They fit well. They're a little snug. I'm carrying about a pound or two more than I want to right now, but I could button them, and they, you know, they button just fine. They are clean, you know, a little bit of whiskering, and I feel like they do good things for my bum. So definitely considering these. All right, let's try on the other jeans. Okay, these are the jeans from Studio Blue. And they are similar, but there are quite a few, similar to the last pair, but there are quite a few distinct differences. And I actually think these are more interesting. I like the other wash better because I do tend to like a darker wash, but this wash is also a little more unique to my wardrobe. They are longer. I have them on with I think these are like a 2.5 inch heel, and they still have like a slight bend, so I could even go a taller heel. So you can see the wash, it's got the double button. It's got the double belt loop because it's got this seam between the buttons, which I think is interesting. And yeah, then it's got the more faded thighs. And that's the back. It doesn't do as much for the booty, I think, as the other one. But at this point, I'm leaning towards these just because I think it's a different look. It's, you know, the other ones were a really nice pair of jeans with a double button, whereas these just have more interesting details to them. Let me know what you think. Which pair do you like better? All right, let's get to the joggers. Okay, these are the Under Armour joggers, and I styled this to see if I could dress them up, and I think that this works. So I kept on the leopard print heel, and I kept on actually the Henley, and then threw on this White House Black Market denim jacket that has this kind of pearl and crystal detail. I think they fit well. This is the whole look. Let me come up so you can see the joggers closer. So I think they fit well. There is a black Under Armour logo on it, which I don't like. But my husband said that if I hadn't pointed it out, he would not have noticed it. So I think they fit well. That's from the side, that's from the back. So I like these. I'm trying to decide if they're too similar to a pair of Zella joggers that I have, that I do wear out of the house. They are quite similar, so similar in color, fit, everything. So yeah, I'll have to compare and decide. These are a nice length and comes up to a little bit above my belly button, so a higher waist. I feel like it fits well in the front, doesn't do any weird pulling like the last time. It's got the pockets. Yeah, so these are contenders too. Let's try on the black ones. So this is the look. I put on some black Christian Louboutins heels, and just a black tank, and then this kind of raspberry colored denim jacket. I think it's from Liverpool. So these, let me come up closer so that you can actually see the joggers. So these joggers are a looser fit than the other ones. I think they're okay, but I like the more tapered fit of the Under Armour ones. And I did check it against the pair that I already have. And they are different shades of navy, but they're still basically navy. So these have the pockets. Again, a pretty high rise, nice flat. I don't like, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it, I don't like the kind of bunching at the crotch. So I think these are a no. No, I'm sure they're a no. All right, let's do prices and a recap. Okay, that was another really excellent fix. You know, I think those were just great pieces to try. So, stylist pick subtotal is $321. If you buy all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount, which would take off $80.25, bringing it down to $240.75, and shipping is included. So I knew it wasn't going to be a 5 for 5 because I had the 2 pairs of double button pants, and I already have 1 pair of double button pants, but they're very different from these. And I didn't really think I was going to keep both joggers. So first ones, GLYDER Eclipse Performance Jogger in black. These are $80. And these are a no because they just didn't fit well, and yeah, they just didn't fit well. And certainly not going to pay that. I mean, that's pretty pricey for a pair of joggers. I would pay it if it was like they were the perfect thing, but they weren't. So Under Armour Motion Jogger in navy, these are $65. I liked the fit of these. I liked how slimmer they were. One of my viewers said that I should look for slim fit joggers. So I think these would fit that description. And I decided that I'm going to send these back because I do have another, I told you I had the Zella joggers, but I did buy a pair of silkier, dressier joggers, and they're navy as well. So I don't need 3 pairs of navy dressier joggers. Okay, and then we have the Studio Blue Leah High Rise Exposed Button in blue. These are $68. I'm keeping these. I think that detail is so cool. The double button, the wash is pretty unique to my wardrobe. So these are keepers, yay! And then the 9 BRITTON Melanie Henley knit top in navy. I don't really think so. This is $44. I'm going to keep this too. Really soft, beautiful, beautiful color, and just a nice basic to wear by itself or under, you know, a denim jacket, blazer, whatever. And then last we have the Rosalina double button slim straight. They call it Indigo, and this is $64. And I liked the wash, but the only thing that was really different about it was the double button. And since I'm not going to keep both double button, these are going to go back. So 2 pieces that I am really excited about wearing, can't wait to wear them. And that's starting to be my threshold. You know, when I try something on, do I think to myself, I can't wait to wear this? And I have seen a difference. I think it was my last fix where I had the purple button-down shirt, and I was considering that. And it, you know, it sat here in my office for a couple days, and I thought, you know, I could take it or leave it. I just, you know, it was nice, but I didn't love it. And so I'm looking for things that I love and I'm really excited about wearing. So that's how I'm starting to decide things. All right, so going for shopping overnight this weekend. So I will be putting together a video of, hopefully I'll find some things for you on that. And again, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Please give me that like, it helps my channel grow. And again, I'll leave my link down for you if you want to try Stitch Fix if you haven't already. And until next time, fashion friends. Oh, wait, I was going to ask you, what do you think of the hair? What do you think of the short hair? To be truthful, I do prefer my hair longer, but it's just gotten really thin over, you know, the last few years. And so I decided I am just gonna cut it short and embrace short hair and love having short hair. So let me know what you think, and please be kind. All right, have a great rest of your week, and until next time, don't forget to dress like you mean it.